In this video, I'm going to show you what exactly is within the marketing initiatives. So I created this new initiative called Email and Event Channel, where I'm looking at all of the programs within both the email and event channels. So I can view it by clicking this ID number here, and it will take me to the page where you'll see a handful of KPIs, and you'll actually see the word net quite a bit. And so whenever you see the word net, it should trigger multi-touch attribution. And that is us tying the dollars from the opportunities back to the programs, based off of certain weights that you may assign to activities from those programs. So what this net outstanding KPI is telling us is how many dollars are currently out there that haven't been closed yet from the opportunities. What this net closed one is telling us how many dollars have currently been closed from the opportunities. And the marketing cost KPI is telling us how many dollars did our programs spend on this initiative. And then we can see the ROI from our initiative. So we look at the net closed $1 divided by the marketing cost. And that will give us about 2x return here. And we compare that to every other program not included within this initiative. And so as we move on here, we see pipeline acceleration. And what this is looking at all of the opportunities that were impacted or influenced by these programs after their qualified date. And we can see how many days it took those opportunities to win, how much they won for on average, and their win rate. And we also scroll down here and we can see different panels looking at different visuals that allow us to gain insights into what is our pipeline by channel, what is our pipeline by type, and what is our pipeline by our products. If we want to look at certain products, we can see that here. As we scroll down, we give a more granular level detail to be able to see each program and the different metrics that lie within it. Now, a real powerful way to use marketing initiatives is actually using it on other pages, which I'll demonstrate in later videos.